Today we are going to do orienting yourself, the use of coordinates, exercise 1.1. The following shows Rian's room. Let me show you Rian's room. So this is a Rian's room with points O, A, B, C marking its corners. This is O, A, B and C marking its corner. Point O is the origin. Point O is the origin. So there are many questions, 4 questions based on this. The first question is, if D1R1 represents the door to Rian's room, how far is the door from the left wall, the y-axis of the room? How far is the door from the x-axis? So they are asking about this. This is the door. Wait, let me try to draw it again. So this is Rian's door, goes from D1 to R1. So how far is the door from the left wall of the y-axis? So this is the y-axis. You can see. So the distance, we can clearly see that it begins from 8. So it is 8 units. 8 units away. So the door, you can write here, the door is 8 units away. 8 units away from the y-axis. Away from the y-axis. Now moving on from the x-axis. So you can see that it directly lies on the x-axis. So this is 0 units away. So the answer would be, the door is 0 units away from the x-axis. Now moving on. Next question is, what are the coordinates of D1? The coordinates of D1. Where is D1? So we can find D1 here. So it is 8 in the x direction and 0 in the y direction. So its coordinates would be simply 8, 0. 8 in the x and 0 in the y. Not very hard. Moving on. Third question. If R1 is the point 11.5 is 0, how wide is the door? Now they are asking the width of this door. So we can simply do this by subtracting 11.5, by subtracting 8 from 11.5, which would get us to 3.5 units. And it seems like the units are in meters, so this would be 3.5 meters. And the minimum door width for wheelchair accessibility is almost 0.8 to 1 meter. So yes, so we can write, yes, he or she will be able to enter the room easily. So we just found the width of the door. Now moving on to the next question. If B1 01.5, so we can find B1 right over here. This is B1 and B2. It is supposed to be written like this. B2, there is B2, represents the ends of the bathroom door. Now this is the bathroom door. Is the bathroom door narrower or wider than the room door? So now we need to find the thickness of this also. So we can see that it starts from along the y, it is along the y-axis, so it starts from 1.5 and ends at 4. So we have to subtract 1.5 from 4. So we would get 2.5 units. And this door The room door is 3.5 units. So yes, the bathroom door is narrower than the room door. And with that exercise 1.1 is finished. Thank you.